Hello everyone. In this lab, we will show you some basic lab safety equipment. We will also learn some safety guidelines for all lab works and show you how to do the WMIS online training. Before you enter the lab, you will see lab signs on the wall beside the door. These signs tell you what kind of materials are used in the lab. When you finish the WMIS online training, you will be familiar with these signs. Now let's see the basic safety equipment in the lab. Personal protective equipment, PPE. This includes lab coats, gloves, and safety goggles. We will provide gloves and safety goggles, but you need to prepare your own lab coat. This is all required during the lab. The first aid kit, emergency shower, and eye wash. All these are needed when you have a cut or spill on your body. Fire extinguisher, fume hoods and biological safety cabinet. Chemical spill kits and biochemical spill kits for chemical or biomaterials spilled on the floor or bench. Lab coats should be worn in the lab at all times. Again, you are responsible for supplying your own coat. Safety glasses must be worn whenever you are in the lab. Standard prescription glasses are not to be used as safety glasses unless they are certified as such. Books, bags, coats, and others are to be left in designated areas of the lab only. No smoking, eating, or drinking in the lab. No open-toed or high-heeled shoes. Long hair should be tied back or in a bun. Loose clothes should be secured. Shorts and short skirts are not permitted. Avoid wearing jewelry and contact lenses. All accidents, no matter how minor or embarrassing, must be reported immediately to a TA or staff member. Be aware of the procedure. Read the lab handouts before the lab. Make notes in your logbook, not on the handout itself. Prepare a procedural outline written in the logbook along with tables for raw data prior to attending the lab. Do not use spiral-bound notebooks or loose-leaf paper. Logbooks will be signed at the end of each lab and graded at the end of the semester. Lab work is to be completed within the allotted time unless otherwise specified. Please note that all lab work must be recorded using pen instead of pencil. Be aware of what is going on around you and make sure others are aware of what you are doing. Please note that lab safety is all about awareness and communication, and most lab accidents are caused by lack of attention or information. In order to complete the WMIS online training, first go to the eClass website and download the file WMIS Access Instructions, and follow these instructions to complete the training and the quiz. Once you have successfully completed the quiz, download your certificate as a PDF file and submit it to the Dropbox on eClass before the noon of your next lab schedule date. You can also bring a hard copy to the lab for the TA or technician to check. In this video, we showed you the general lab safety guidelines and safety equipment in the laboratory room.